I use the law of attraction to attract the love of my life. And this is how I did it. So the first thing I did was I got a visual because I love using visual aids whenever I'm trying to create something, trying to manifest something, trying to make something happen. I love using pictures and visual aids. So I got a visual. I got this picture right here. Right. And I placed it on my laptop, on my TV screen, full screen, early morning, late in the night, or sometimes if it's a no work day, it would be the entire day. So I would have this picture on my screen as a visual aid. So that was the first thing. The second thing I did was to get into a high feeling state, a high emotional state, or a high vibrational state, I used music. So I used inspirational music. I used love music, reggae, R&B, soul music, anything I felt was high vibe, anything to get me really, really high and to get me feeling really good. I also used 639 hertz solfeggio frequencies, especially the 639 hertz, which is all about harmonizing relationships. So I used that in the background. That was the second thing I did. So third thing I did was, getting really high after, and I would do this moving around my apartment, doing my chores, just staying, doing my daily activities, and so on and so forth, and just getting really high whilst I'm doing that. And every now and then I would come up to the screen and just say, "Thank you, God." So the third thing I did was express gratitude. So I would come up to the TV screen and just look at the picture and imagine that it's me in the picture with my wife, and just say thank you, God, for this, and I would keep in mind all the qualities that I want in the partner that I'm trying to attract. So I would say thank you, God, thank you, God, thank you, God, thank you, Creator, expressing that gratitude whilst I'm feeling high, whilst I'm in that high vibrational state. I would say thank you, God, for blessing me with this beautiful, wonderful woman that I could love truly, madly, deeply, who loves me the same. This person that I trust, this person who I could give my all to, this person I could spend the rest of my life with, this person that I could build a family with, this person that I could build, a beautiful future with. And I would do that. I would express that gratitude. I would, from throughout the day, if it's the entire day that I'm home and I have this music on, or just, whilst I had the picture on and the music in the background and so on. So that's the first thing I would have done. So just a quick recap. First thing, visual aid. Second thing, you get that into that high vibrational state using music or whatever you want to use. The third thing was express gratitude. So you express that gratitude. Thank you in advance for what is already yours, what you want to attract, and so on. And the fourth thing was just consistency, doing this on a daily basis, doing this every other day, doing this whenever it came to me, and just being consistent with it. There are times when, as soon as I got out of bed, I did my affirmations. I'll probably start with maybe just expressing gratitude through prayer, and then my affirmations, then visualization, and then I would put my picture on, music in the background, and start getting ready for work, or just starting getting ready for the day, and so on and so forth, right? And I would do this, like I said, consistency. Fourth thing would be do this consistently, and I did this for a while. I think I did this for maybe a couple of months, maybe about 6 months or so, half a year. And at the same time, I was expressing interest in certain persons, and at the same time I was still taking action. So I guess that could be the fifth step, to to take action, to go out there and try to meet people and connect and so on and so forth. But nothing was really showing any light. There were one or two relationships, that one or two possible potential partners, but it didn't really blossom into anything significant, right? Until I just stumbled onto this person I'm with now. We just kind of ran into each other on social media, and it just blossomed naturally, without forcing, without me trying to just go, just without me forcing anything, without, it just felt really natural, really organic, really authentic. It felt like it was meant to be. And 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 that's pretty much it. I find myself now engaged with my lady, with my fiance, with someone that I was asking for, someone that I prayed for, someone that I visualized myself with, someone that I give thanks for. And the relationship is beautiful. It's wonderful. We have a baby girl who is 10 months, about 10 months old, who's, going on 10 months. And, we're planning our wedding. And it's not a perfect relationship. Nothing in the physical realm is perfect, but it is one where we both give it 150% and we truly love each other. So, and that's how you use the law of attraction to, at least that's how I use the law of attraction to attract the love of my life. And I hope you gained something from this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace and love. One love. A firm life.